Hello, welcome back to A Typical Vagabond. My name's Carter, and today we are taking a trip to Portugal, the land of sunshine, delicious food, and wait for it, stunning tiles. No, seriously, tiles. Now, before you click away thinking this is some DIY home improvement show, hear me out. These aren't your average bathroom tiles. These are azulejos, Portuguese masterpieces adorning on buildings and streets for centuries. So vamos, let's go! From historical murals to whimsical patterns, azulejos tell the story of Portugal. They're everywhere, on churches, palaces, even train stations. But to truly understand their magic, we need to go to the source, the National Tile Museum in Lisbon. That's right. We're here at the National Tile Museum, a treasure trove dedicated to see little works of art. Let's dive in and see what wonders await. As you can see, there's more than just tiles here. There's plenty of artwork to be seen and taken in. So I made it over here to the National Tile Museum, kind of speaking a little bit low because I know that my voice is going to echo throughout and I don't want to bother people. It's a nice calm place. It used to be an old monastery, so it's a little bit away from like the downtown Baixo area where it's kind of touristy. So you might want to grab an Uber, you can catch the bus and everything. The Lisboa card is a great way to go to like all these places. You can get into here free also with the Lisboa card. So this is like my bonus one, and hopefully that you enjoyed the Sé and Castelo de São Jorge, and kind of enjoying this. It's a nice chill environment and have a good idea of the different types of tiles and the history of the tiles in Portugal, because this is one of the things that's really unique about Portugal. The tiles here are some of the most beautiful in all of Europe. But wow, this place is incredible. We've seen tiles from every era, from Moorish influences to modern designs, and the stories they tell are fascinating. Did you know some azulejos depict historic events or religious scenes? Yes, absolutely. Azulejos were not just decoration, they were a way to educate and inspire people. It's clear that azulejos are more than just tiles. They're a unique art form that reflects the soul of Portugal. And the best part, you don't need a museum ticket to experience them. Just walk around Lisbon and keep your eyes peeled. Pop up to Porto and go to some of the churches and you'll see them all over the place. They're everywhere waiting to be discovered. All right, thank you so much for visiting with me on this journey throughout Lisbon. I hope that you enjoyed everything. And if you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for new notifications. Until the next time, I'll catch you on the next one. Ata minya, y'all.